In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the site can't be reached error. This message usually means your browser can't connect to the website because of a temporary network hiccup. Something cached in your browser, a conflicting extension or security software blocking the connection. We will go through a simple sequence to pinpoint the cause and get you back online. Start by power cycling your modem or router. Turn it off and unplug it for 30 to 60 seconds. This brief pause clears temporary glitches and refreshes your internet connection. Plug it back in, wait for the lights to stabilize, and then try loading the site again. Give it a minute or two. Some connections take a moment to fully re-establish. Next, make sure you are actually connected to the internet. Confirm you are on Wi-Fi or that mobile data is enabled. And then test a couple of other websites. If nothing loads, the issue is likely your connection rather than the site. If other sites work but one specific page doesn't, that page could be temporarily down. But keep following along to rule out issues on your end. If the error persists, clear your browser data. Open your browser settings, go to the Privacy or Security section, and find Clear Browsing Data. Select Cache, Cookies, and History. Choosing a longer time range, like all time, is the most thorough. Keep in mind this may sign you out of websites, but it often resolves conflicts caused by outdated or corrupted files. After clearing, close and reopen the browser, then try the site again. If that doesn't help, try loading the site in an incognito or private window. This mode runs the browser with minimal saved data and typically disables extensions by default. If the site works here, it suggests the problem may be related to an extension or stored data in your regular browser session. That's useful information as you narrow down the cause. Finally, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to check if security software is blocking the connection. Open your security app or system security settings and pause protection just long enough to test the site. If the page loads only when protection is off, you've identified the blocker. Turn your security back on immediately afterward and consider adjusting its settings to allow normal browsing without compromising safety. Work through these steps in order, testing the site after each one. In most cases, one of these will resolve the error quickly. Thanks for watching.